So the easiest way to animate a character walk cycle animation in Blender is to go to mixamo.com and upload your character right here. And if you do this, they will give you a little run through of what you need to do, find the joints, and it will create a rig for it. And then when you have it imported here, you can go to animations, and they have this incredible library of all these animations, which are all motion captured. And if you go to the search bar here and just type in walking, you get all these walking animations. And what I like to do is always click in place so you can see it better. And in Blender you can loop this animation. You can also just change the overdrive, so it will go faster or slower. You can change the arm space depending on your character, because maybe the arms will clip. And it's a really easy website to create some really easy walking animations in Blender. Importing this into Blender is also really easy. Just click download and you can choose FBX. Choose with skin or without skin. Without skin is just the skeleton, and with skin is with the geometry. Frames per second, you can choose this. Blender has default of 24, I think, so probably just do that. Keyframe reduction is just none. Download this, wait for it to download. In Blender, you can just go to File, Import, and press FBX. Go to wherever you downloaded it and import it. And there you have this really simple animation in Blender, all set up. And you also get the character model, which is really nice. On the website there are a lot of different character models, and you can use them in your scenes to maybe create some background people in the background. They are fully textured and optimized for Blender. They work in both Eevee and cycles. So after you've imported the model, you can go to the nonlinear animation and click on this push down action, and this will create an action. And if you select this with the armature selected, you can go here and you can press on cyclic strip and action clip and repeat. And this will repeat the animation. And that's it. It's really easy. If you want an in-depth tutorial for how to animate your character with your own armature, you can just leave it in the comments and I will spend a half a year of my time learning how to do it. Okay, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, go to my Gumroad. There's some new things there which you might like. Follow me on Gumroad because I post some things there for free. It's all free. But that's it. Bye.